Hi,
Hi,
Mama.
Mama. Hi, Daddy.
Happy
Happy
60th
60th wedding anniversary.
Okay. We are happy for you that you reached that far. Sana you may have more anniversaries pa para maka-attend kami, maka-uwi kami. And we are sorry that we cannot be there on your special day kasi we're really very far. um, Anyway, babawi kami next time po. And we just wishing you good health and happiness. No problems, no worries. Just be happy and enjoy life, Daddy and Mama. We love you.
Sana po kami, Mama, Daddy, ma-reach din namin yung 60th wedding anniversary. And you're always in our prayers that the Lord may give you good health all the time. And like yung magmahalan, you're really blessed. Kasi naka-60 na kayo.
Yes.
And we miss you here. And kaya lang hindi kami maka-attend. Sana nandyan din kami. Anyway, magkikita rin po tayo soon.
Okay. So, just happy 60th wedding anniversary, Mom and Daddy.
Opo.
We love you so much.
We love you so much.
Althea here. Say hi. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Daddy.
Okay.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait.
Wait.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.